Good morning students. In this video we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 8.1, that is introduction to trigonometry, and by name this question will be solved by the concept of trigonometry. So here it is given to you that 15 cot A is equal to 8, and you can say 8 upon 1 also. Find sine of angle A and sec A. We have to find the two things, that is sine A and sec A, if 15 cot A is equal to 8. So students, you must know one thing. If you know the trigonometric ratios of an acute angle, then you can find the remaining trigonometric ratios of the angles very easily. First of all, what you will do, find the sides of the right triangle in terms of k. So what do you mean by it? We have given that solution will start, it is 15 cot A equal to 8, or you can say cot A is equal to 8 upon 15. So now this is, you will draw a right triangle and you will put A here, then B here, B at right angles, and C. So this is your acute angle A. Now because of A, you will put A here. If it is C, then you will put C here. So now cot A. Cot A means, you know cot A? Cot means base upon perpendicular. Base upon perpendicular. So if you know the angle, then you can show easily what is your perpendicular and what is your base and what is your hypotenuse. The side opposite to right angle is your hypotenuse. The angle, the side opposite to the given angle is your perpendicular, and the adjacent side of the angle is called base. So base is your, you represent base as 8k in terms of k, and perpendicular is your 15k. So now let this will be your equal to AB upon BC, because what, AB is your base and BC is your perpendicular. So now what you will do, you will let AB is equal to 8k and BC is equal to 15k in terms of k. Now you will use Pythagoras theorem. अब आप क्या करेंगे बच्चों? I repeat, पहले आप in terms of k इनको sides को लेंगे. रेशोज में जो है 8 upon 15, 8 आपका बेस है और 15 आपका परपेंडिकुलर है. सो नाउ ए बी को लेट किया 8k, बी सी को 15k. अब आप बाय पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से अब आप थर्ड साइड फाइंड करेंगे, दैट इज हाइपोटेन्यूज. तो ए सी का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बी सी स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी स्क्वायर. दैट मीन्स यू विल गेट ए सी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 8, दैट इज 15k whole square plus 8k whole square. Now what you will get, you will calculate 15 square, that is 225k square plus 64k square. Now the next step will be, you will add these both. What you will get, you will get 289k square. So what is the value of AC then? AC will be 17k, because when you get the square root of 289, it will be 17, and square root of k square is k. So AC will be your 17k. So you will get the third side by using the Pythagoras theorem. Now you will find sine A and sec A very easily. अब आपका जो AB है that is 8k, BC is 15k, और hypotenuse जो आपने find किया that is equal to 17k. Now what you have to find, sin A. तो sin A और दूसरा आपको sec A, ये दो आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज फाइंड करने हैं. तो sin A, you know that children, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular क्या आपका BC, hypotenuse is AC. So that is 15k अपॉन 17k. तो k कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो 15 अपॉन 17 जो है वो आपका साइन ए आ गया. नाउ सेक ए जो होता है कॉस का रेसिप्रोकल. कॉस होता है बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज, तो ये हो गया हाइपोटेन्यूज अपॉन बेस, तो हाइपोटेन्यूज क्या है AC, बेस इज AB, सो व्हाट इज AC, दैट इज 17K, और व्हाट इज AB, 8K, के कैंसिल करेंगे तो 17/8 इसका आंसर आएगा। इस तरह से आपने दोनों रेशोज फाइंड करेंगे। तो सबसे पहले आपको जो गिवन एक्यूट एंगल का रेशो दिया होगा उसके इन टर्म्स ऑफ के लेके PGT लगा के थर्ड साइड फाइंड करना है, देन यू विल फाइंड इजली रेस्ट ऑफ द रेशोज।